Well, Reese, we're saying goodbye to the boat.
Yeah.
This was your home for 2 years.
Yeah.
Are you sad?
Yo.
A couple of short months ago, we hauled our lady Gecko out, put her on the market to be sold, and left to search for a new floating home. Little did we know she was about to get hit by a massive hurricane, Hurricane Irma. We had heard she fared well though and kept with our search. We honestly didn't know if we'd really sell her. How could we? We kept saying to each other. Just the other day, however, we got a call. A serious buyer wanted to see her. Oh boy, here we go.
We are packing up some clothes from the little house that it's a little apartment we rented while we're trying to sell the boat. Oh, Jeremiah's CPAP. So we are leaving tomorrow morning to go to the airport. We have to get up at like 4 a.m. So that's crazy. And we're headed to Key West to hopefully sell the boat.
On our second flight, baby's passed out on my lap. Gonna hop on our rental car and hopefully sell a boat this week. We're a little tired. We're on like no sleep, so it's a good trip so far. I haven't been on a plane in about 2 years, so we're making it.
We landed in Fort Lauderdale and then we rented a car and drove to Key West last night, so it was a big day of traveling. We slept like 13 hours. This little man was a trooper for sure. We are at the boat now. We just pulled up. Jeremiah's checking it out. And then I am gonna go give you guys a view. We haven't seen it since the hurricane and it looks like all is well. The people have looked at it. We had a friend show it for us. So the people have looked at it, so no news was good news, and that's kind of how we found out if our boat fared from the hurricane. And now it's our first time. There's my honey looking at it. How's it looking?
Good. It's dirty, but you know, it's all good.
Here's our baby. You want to give us a view?
This was the first look we got after returning to the boat. She was dirty but had no damage at all. We were so happy. But it was easy to see how many others weren't as fortunate. Irma certainly left her mark, but everywhere we looked, we could see the recovery in full swing.
Well, Reese, we're saying goodbye to the boat.
Yeah.
This was your home for 2 years.
Yeah.
Are you sad?
Yo.
Okay.
Mommy's sad. All these memories we created for you.
Well, for 2 years you played, slept, ate, pottied,
Crawl.
cried, crawled, climbed on the boat. And now it's time to go bye-byes. You want to say bye-bye, boat?
Bubble boo.
Bye-bye, boat. How you doing?
It's bittersweet, so I know we're ready to move onward and upward. That's what my girlfriend Cheryl just told me on the phone as I told her we sold the boat. And really it's, moving forward. We want a bigger space. This is now going to be, we've made the decision that this is our life. So we're ready to make the jump, the plunge, whatever you want to call it, into our forever home. This was like a stepping stone into this life for us. The sad part is the memories that we're leaving behind. And that's, I can't talk about it.
You're a nerd.
I know. It's really because I watched him grow. But we preserved those memories, like you said, with our videos. As you saw probably in a previous video, if you've been following us for a while, Jeremiah got this for me to put on the boat. It's the coordinates where we met, and it says, wherever we head, let us never forget where we began. And I'm taking this sucker with us. It's so meaningful.
You gonna put it on the next boat?
Oh yeah, I am. I should get it tattooed on my ass. Okay. This is very sweet, what you made for me. What kind of glue did you use?
It's just the black one.
It was very sweet.
Hell yeah, it was sweet.
It's a little bent up. Just gotta clean it.
Mama go.
I love you.
I love you too.
Are you ready for our next boat?
Let's do it. We're gonna put that sucker on it.
Yes. That was it. The survey was complete and the buyers agreed to purchase the Lazy Gecko. They say you'll be happy the day you sell your boat. Not necessarily. I love the Lazy Gecko and I'm sad to see her go. She's sold. So emotional for me. Very sad. I'm gonna miss her. We have one more night with her, so we're probably gonna do a little talk and say goodbye to our floating home. But we're looking for another floating home, and hopefully that'll mend my heart. Lots of memories in here with Reese. So, very sad moment for us. I wish she'd just get a little fatter and we would have kept her. I'm really excited for the new owners, and I hope that they treat her right and take care of her. Next time on the Lazy Geckos. We knock out the paperwork and then head to the marina to splash their new girl. We get a surprise visit from someone you know. And we all enjoy as the new owners take their lady to sea for the first time. Plus, we have some huge news. See you next time. Thank you, patrons. You keep all this fun going. Drop us some love via PayPal if you'd like to help us along with this journey.